This is just a sample for the document distribution matrix. As I said earlier, we have listed here all the doc type based on individual department wise, and here we have department as a matrix, whether it's going to be for action or whether it will be just for information. So this is a main central document distribution matrix based on which the document distribution has to happen on the project. All right. So it can just to give an example. For example, QAQC method statement. Okay. So all the QAQC method statement, all the department definitely will not be involved. Okay. Like the finance department or the project controls department, they don't have any say on approving the method statement. It's purely the quality control department and the construction department is involvement to review the method statement, okay, and give their approval. So based on give their approval based on that. So based on that you can mark this method statement of QAQC department that it will go to QAQC and construction department for action, and again it can be a parallel flow that it goes to the construction department, quality department and safety department to check out the safety parameters involved in that method statement of the work that's going to happen in the project. So it depends, the flow definitely will depend. You have to sit with the document with the head of the department and understand the flow, and based on which you have to mark the metrics, whether it is for which department is action or which department will be part of information as a CC. Okay, so accordingly this document distribution matrix has to be developed. Again, this DDM, this document distribution matrix, it is just a demo reference purpose, and for your project related you have to modify based on your project requirements. So it can be a plus minus. This is just a reference purpose only.